After a century of motoring, it is easy to assume that modern automotive engineers would have answered those needs and that there is no room for products that would surpass the performance standards set by the global automotive industry. But surprisingly, a Filipino-invented product has served the Filipinos well for over 3 decades and helped improve their engines' lives. This certain product provides a scientific excellence in lubrication technology, which offers significant economic benefits and solutions to automobiles, motorcycles, and scooters' major problem on their engine. In 1989, Pertua Oil and Metal Treatment was born. Pertua's unique and scientific approach in solving the problems of friction and oil degradation was invented by John A. Simon, a Filipino with vast experience in the field of mechanical engineering, metallurgist, and lubrication technology.
Ambition ko, siyempre, pag nag-iimbento ka, look for a problem. No? Ngayon, my reason in inventing Pertua is to solve the maintenance problem ng makina para ma-prolong ang life, at the same time, mapaganda ang efficiency ng makina. Actually, I started Pertua long time ago. During that time kasi, mayroong tinatawag na energy crisis dahil nagkaroon ng organization nga ng OPEC. So, in terms of oil natin, medyo nagkaroon ng parang shortage, no? So, ngayon, nag-isip ako kung paano tayo makapag-produce ng isang alternative energy. So, prior to that, siyempre, savings muna ng energy yung ating inisip, no? Kaya, until finally, noong 1988, nakakuha ko ng Philippine patent. In February 9, 1989, nilaunch ko ito sa isang third Festival of Filipino Inventions, no? Then, doon siya tuloy-tuloy na.
Pertua Oil and Metal Treatment, with its US patented technology, is prime in providing engines and machines with superior anti-oxidation and anti-friction action. POMT helps increase power output and fuel efficiency, guards against rust and overheating, saves user on costly repairs and parts, thoroughly cleans engine and lubricant system to reduce harmful emissions, and most importantly, it can extend the engine up to 4 times its usual lifespan. Pertua is a friend of all oils and guardian of metals.
Pertua has been in the market for over 3 decades, and I'm very proud to say that all our claims are evidence-based and scientifically proven. When it comes to competing with the multinational giants, I would like to call Pertua as the David amongst the Goliath. Our flagship product is Pertua Oil and Metal Treatment. It has a US and Philippine patent, and it provides various economic benefits such as increased power, machine protection, and also provides savings. So, in short, it's definitely going to make the engines of the users achieve its top performance and providing them with comfort, peace of mind, and ease.
Actually, nakakuha ko ng US patent in 1995. Kasi siyempre, mahirap makakuha ng US patent kasi we have to prove that this product is a prior art. So, walang kamukha. siya. So, dahil sa in-explain ko sa US Patent Office na itong product natin ay ito lang ang oil na nagiging semi-permanent sa bakal. There is no oil in this world na nagiging semi-permanent sa bakal kundi ang Pertua. At mo, in the morning start, dahil sa 100% ng oil mo bababa sa oil pan, so pag-start mo sa umaga, wala kang oil. So ang tendency, prior to makarating yung oil sa mga pyesa mo, umikot na ng about 300 times yung crankshaft ng makina without oil. So with that, gas-gas siya kasi wala siyang oil, no? But ang kainaman ng Pertwa, dahil siya permanent siya, pag-start mo sa umaga, pwede kang umarangkada na kaagad. Kasi nandun na siya kaagad, no? Yung epekto niya na kahit nawala na yung oil per se, nandun pa yung kanang epekto.
With his mission to ensure the peak performance of machines through patented technology for customers and a vision to be a world-renowned Filipino company in automotive industries and manufacturing.
Maraming test ang ginawa nito dahil kasi nung nagpunta ko sa isang malaking company sa Amerika, sinabi ko na ang oil nila ay mapoprolong ng mahabang buhay. At the same time, pwedeng makatakbo ang kanilang sasakyan without oil up to 1,000 miles. Hindi sila naniwala kasi normally kasi yung isang sasakyan pagka naubusan ng oil, pwedeng 1 kilometer, pwedeng 1 mile, o basta within that range, sira sigurado ang ano mo. Kaya nagulat sila, 1,000, akala nagbibiro ako. Tinanong nila para mapatunayan ko kung anong proof ko na pwede itong makano. Sabi ko, patakbuhin natin ang kotse ninyo ng 1,000 kilometers without oil, 1,000 miles without oil. Eh, hindi sila pumayag dahil ayaw nila mag-gamble ng kanila. So, tinest nila yung kotse ko, pinatakbo yung kotse mula Los Angeles hanggang San Francisco, balikan, for 776 miles without oil. So, na-feature tayo sa American Journal, na-feature tayo sa mga dyaryo sa Amerika, because that is the first time, actually pang Guinness Book of Record to, this is the first time na tumakbo ang isang sasakyan for 776 miles without oil. So, yan ang significance ng ating invention, nagiging semi-permanent sa bakal. At the same time, pinoprolong niya yung life ng makina at saka life ng oil mismo.
Well, I always believed in the Pertwa technology. So, my main mission upon joining my father's business is really to grow it exponentially. And then as it grows, it will provide jobs. And then I want to grow Pertwa's brand equity.
Na meron palang ganito na ito'y Pilipino ingenuity na tinatawag nila. Gaano aganda itong Pertwa. Yun nga, nag-a-appeal ako sa ating Department of Trade to market this product all over the world. Kasi wala sa buong mundo ito. Kaya significantly ito, number one, makaka-reduce sa energy consumption natin, makaka-reduce sa importation nating spare parts.
In response to the digital transformation age and to be able to ensure that Pertwa is available in the market, we were able to launch our own e-commerce site, which is the Pertwa Mart. We were able to achieve several milestones. What are these? So first, we were accredited by ISO 9001:2015 certification. And then secondly, we were able to finish our construction and we were able to occupy the Baliwag plant. Pertwa will continue to be an innovative and dynamic company that continues to resolve the pain points and the emerging customer needs in the automotive and the industrial industry. We will also actively seek new partners and also develop new markets. And being an innovative company, we also want to still continue to develop new products that will provide solutions. And lastly, we want to constantly raise our standards to meet the ever-growing demand locally and internationally.
Mr. Simon is committed to the nation's progress, creating livelihoods for Filipinos, helping the economic growth, while delivering substantial savings for vehicle and machine operators.